So let's go to the next demo. Here it's about shared access signature demo. A shared access signature is a signed URI that points to one or more storage resources and includes a token that contains a special set of query parameters. I mean, from the from the certification pages, we could have gone through the theory, but let's see the demo. Then it will make more sense to us. So, so the steps are same here also. Here, let's. I'm going to create a storage account. Let's create the storage account. Storage again. I'm going to give some random number to the storage account. This storage account has blob, queue, file system. So where this can be useful, like this is like you have a blob, some file storage, and you don't want to uh, implement some centralized authentication or authorization. You just set up this permission and give access to the client. So my storage account is created. So right now I'm on my storage account page, and on the left side menu, there is a option of shared access signature. So here, shared access signature, basically we are setting up some restrictions. It gives you little bit description that what does it do. So here we can see what are the load services. Here we can set up what are the load services are, whether they can choose blob, file, or queue or table. We can select there. So also with resource types, I will select container and object. What are the permissions? I'm just going to give only read permission. The users, they cannot write into this one. Others one I'll default. This is the beauty of this shared permission is you can have a start and end date. So I gave this read or write permission to a client for 7 days. After 7 days, it will expire. So here's the token is generated. So when the client is calling this blob, he has to give this token, and this token has all the information, some signature, and what is the start key, end key, what are the permission. So everything is encoded into this token. So it's giving example. This is the example like if our end client wants to call our blob services, this is what he need to use.